3 months she practiced. Tomorrow night, she will not remember a word. Wrong script. Wrong lines. She will panic, and I will take her place. That is my face. That is not my voice. I never said those words. Have you seen it? The video. It is fake. Every word is edited. I never cared about this town or anyone in it. I love this town, and I will do anything to protect its future.
I filmed that 3 weeks ago. The original is on my phone. All of it.
Poor Jade. That video is everywhere. How embarrassing. They saw a fake video. Today, they will see the real one.
Three weeks ago. My phone. Original. Time-stamped. Real.
We go to Miss Taylor now, before voting starts.
Miss Taylor.
The video posted last night is fake. I have the original.
The original is time-stamped 3 weeks ago. The original 3 weeks ago. The posted video is edited. Clearly. Principal Brooks, my office. Now, please. Election emergency. Evidence of tampering. The timestamp proves the original was filmed.
The time 3 weeks ago. The posted video is fake. Who posted it? Do you have evidence?
Posted at 11:52 p.m. Only one person had access.
Ruby.
I saw Ruby editing the video last night. I should have said something. I am sorry.
Attention students. Voting is paused. Please, Taylor, please remain in the hall. Important announcement.
Why is voting paused? What is happening?
Before this election continues, there is something every student here must see.
This video was posted last night.
This video was posted last night. Many of you have seen it. 50,000 views.
This is the original video, filmed 3 weeks ago.
Time-stamped, unedited, real. Ruby, come forward.
The principal has the footage. Sophia is finished. But Emma, can you perform?
Jade's campaign has been honest from the first day. Her name is completely clear.
Has anyone ever posted something fake about you? Comment below and tell us.
Three weeks on my phone. Just sitting there, waiting.
Every vote counted correctly. The result is clear and certain.
The new student president, Jade. elected fairly by this school.
She won! She won! She actually won! She always was gonna win.
You kept that video 3 weeks without knowing why.
I keep everything, especially the truth.
50,000 views for the fake. One truth ended it. Truth only needs to be seen once. Right people.
They posted 50,000 lies. One truth was enough. Fake means not real, not true, made to deceive. Original means the first real version, not changed, not edited.
Emma performed the entire show from memory because someone switched her script.
Evidence means proof. My original video was proof. Timestamp means the date and time when a file was made.
Expose means to show the truth about something hidden or dishonest. Justice means the right thing happening. Truth becoming consequence.
Loyal means always standing by your friend.
Marcus is loyal. Campaign means working to win something. Election, competition, goal.
This is not fair. I have evidence. I need help. Always go to a trusted adult. Take your evidence.
The truth always comes out. Keep your evidence safe. I will never give up, whatever they post or say. This was the role I was born to play. Honest means telling the truth, being real, not hiding anything. Deceive means to trick someone, make them believe something false.
Elected means chosen by a vote. The people decide. Deserve means to have earned something through honest work.
Like this video. Share it. Someone needs this today. Subscribe for more slow English every week.